Hello, I am Sujit Kishore Chakraborty, Chief Coordinator of Industry Institute Partnership Cell, Asansol Engineering College. The objective of IIP Cell is to lessen the gap between industry expectations, practical knowledge, and academic offerings, theoretical knowledge by direct involvement of industry to attain a symbiosis. The activities of IIP Cell are to arrange industrial training for students, identifying the opportunities for student project work in industries, motivate and involve students of Asansol Engineering College in the relevant research and development activities of this cell with an aim to transform these students into skilled professionals who are usually employable by the industry. We organize lectures, interactive workshops, conferences, seminars, technical discussions, consultancy sessions, orientation courses, and industrial visits involving members of industry experts, eminent personalities, and alumni of Asansol Engineering College. We also provide technical consultancy services to small scale industries, and AMIE courses are also offered to the students. This is an overall advantage in which institutions stands to gain source of revenue generation by consultancy and research and development, source of manpower for employment, societal relevance. Faculty stands to gain by way of exposure to latest industry practices for more effective teaching learning process, and most importantly, acquisition of brand name. Industry stands to gain by the way of availability of employable manpower pool and increased productivity. Students stand to gain by ways of hands-on training, reduction of learning curve in industrial practices, and society stands to gain by way of improved quality of goods and services. These are some of the glimpses of the activities conducted by IIP Cell of Asansol Engineering College, in which you can see that various workshops and seminars and model competitions are being done by the students of Asansol Engineering College, done under IIP Cell. These are few more pictures in which consultancy works are being carried out by the students. So thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.